नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sarvangjapita Yajamans, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotari, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing, Kalki TV, YouTube Live, having Nayana Diksha. Cities sitting with us, long list, so I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll continue on Adinam Chalo series on Shaktipada. Understand, Shaktipada is literally rekindling the energy component of you and that component taking over your body and mind. People were asking, how can I use Shaktipada to maximum? How I can get maximum benefit from Shaktipada? Understand a simple thing. Prepare your body through yoga and Panchakriya. Prepare your mind with this Vedic software, what I call Sankhya software, Vedic software, with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing. Drill this thought current continuously in you. Always be in the space of completion and responsibility. Prepare body through yoga and Panchakriya. Prepare the mind with this integrity thought current, Vedic inner software. Just yesterday I was telling, during the energy session, Shaktipada, I was not talking about it, I just kept quiet, but yesterday I opened it up and said, it is not like some electricity, you put your wire, either legally or illegally you get the current. No. It's not that you come and sit in the mandala and you grab the power and run. No. Be responsible. Understand? The Sadashiva component of me started manifesting powers only when I decided to take the responsibility for the world. Thought current of responsibility. Thought current of responsibility makes you manifest powers of Sadashiva. Understand, I had all these powers. From the time I assumed the body. But only when I decided to take the responsibility for the world, it started manifesting. Understand, when you do Sadashiva's work, his hands are given to you. His energies are given to you. His powers are given to you. It is not like some illegal power stealing, the electricity stealing. In many Indian villages this happens. We call it koki bodrathu. They'll just make a hook and throw it on the wire. They'll use the electricity for whatever purpose they want. Powers doesn't come like that. Create the responsible mind setup. At least forget about the past and create in the future. Be responsible for it. Be responsible. To stand for Sadashiva. To stand for his science. To stand for the Sangha which is living these principles. It is integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. This mental setup that manifests the powers the moment I empower. The moment powers are given, it starts manifesting in your system if your being holds responsibility. It's not magic. It's not miracle. It's a power. It's a science. It's a science. Understand? It's not that these powers are new to me. From the time I assumed the body, I know I had it. And still, I have not even revealed 10% of the powers I brought with me. And I tell you, only when I took responsibility for humanity, they start manifesting. They have started manifesting. Take responsibility, they will manifest. I'll continue to shower because showering is my lifestyle. Even this expression of ferociousness is to make you receive what I am showering, not out of any hatred or judgment. I just want you to receive, at least from now. That's all is the reason for this ferociousness. That's all is the context for this ferociousness. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.